Okay, I am underneath the passenger door. I am looking at what looks like the downstream Bank 1 Sensor 2 oxygen sensor for a Toyota Highlander Hybrid 06. Wiring goes across that little holder bracket to this connector bracket. If I understand my codes I've been provided, what was it, PO 137, 138? This is the one to be replaced. 22 millimeter unscrew, unclip, disconnect, new one goes in, negative battery's already unplugged, put on the anti-seize copper stuff, screw it in, reclip, plug in, connect the negative back to the battery, turn on, look for clear codes. That's the plan. Okay, I'm now underneath. The new oxygen sensor is screwed into hand tightness right now. I got the copper stuff on there. Next will be to tighten it fully, snap it onto that bracket, plug it in, and then snap it onto that black bracket there with the other plug. The old oxygen sensor is here on the ground. There's the plug to the wires and the little bracket up above. I was able to pull that off when I put needle nose up above the bracket and pinched it a little bit so it come out. Same with that middle bracket. It snaps on right here. So next up, tighten this up. Bracket, plug, bracket. Put the negative back on the battery, turn it on, see what happens. Okay, that's now crescent wrench tight. New oxygen sensor. Second sensor, it's one past the catalytic converter on the first bank, so it's out the back. One clip, one plug with a clip up underneath it. Now we get to try and see if the check engine light goes away. Alright, this better work. Keys in. This is a Hybrid 06 Highlander. There's the check engine light, and it went away. Yeah, baby. Thanks for watching. Okay, follow up now. The engine has been running. Hybrid starts up, it's just battery. Anyway, light's still off, so good news, yay.